this video, we will learn how to create two separate folders for citations to your EndNote library. This can be very useful when you are writing two different papers at the same time and you want to keep your citations at the separate places. At first, open any article that you want to cite and copy the title. Then go to the Google Scholars and paste it. Once the selected article is being opened, click on the cite and then EndNote and save it at the same place where you first time created your EndNote library. Finally, click on the newly saved article here. It will open this box for you. Now at this stage, you are supposed to create the new folder. What will happen, what you are supposed to do, just click on the article and then right click it, go to the add references, and then here you can create the customized group. Just by clicking on that, not only you will be creating the new group, but your newly saved article is also being saved at the same time. Now you just have to rename your folder. This article is not only present here in this group, but in all references as well. You can create other groups from any of the article present here. Just select the article and then right click. Follow the same procedure and rename it here.